In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a graph in Google Sheets. We'll go through each step carefully so you can follow along effortlessly and excel at transforming your data into visually appealing charts. First, you'll need to start by opening a Google Sheet. If you're not already familiar, Google Sheets is an amazing tool that allows you to manage and organize large sets of data efficiently. So, open up your web browser, navigate to Google Sheets, and access the sheet where your data is stored. Once your sheet is open, the next step is to highlight the cells that contain the data you want to use for your chart. Carefully select the range of cells, ensuring that you include all relevant data for your graph. Getting this right is crucial, as the area you highlight will form the basis of your chart, so double-check that you've captured everything you need. With your data highlighted, look to the top of the screen where you will see the menu bar. Click on Insert. This is your key to accessing a wealth of features that Google Sheets has to offer. After clicking Insert, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, choose the Chart option. This will prompt Google Sheets to automatically generate a chart based on your highlighted data. At this point, you should see a preliminary chart appear on your screen. It might not look exactly as you want it just yet, but don't worry. This is where customization comes into play. Next, shift your attention towards the chart that's just been generated. On the right-hand side, you'll notice a chart editor pane appears. Here, there's a tab labeled Customize. Go ahead and click on it. This action unlocks a variety of options for modifying your chart to better fit your needs and preferences. Customization is where you can really make your chart shine. In the Customize tab, you're able to adjust the chart style, the colors, change axes, add data labels, and do much more. Take your time to explore these options. You can try different styles, adjust the size, or change the color scheme to make your data stand out. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to customize your chart. It should simply serve your purpose and be easy to read. Keep experimenting until you find a style that perfectly complements the data you're working with. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, your graph is ready. You've successfully turned your raw data into an insightful and visually appealing chart. To wrap it up, after following these steps, you should feel more confident in creating graphs with Google Sheets. With this tool, presenting data visually is not only more fun, but often provides clearer insights as well. Happy charting!